Hello my lovely people. Today I'm going to be taking these ingredients and composing them into the most amazing seafood salad. Stay right here and let's do it! Hello my fellow composers and welcome to the Composing Cook. Let's make this amazing seafood salad, okay? To begin with, we're going to need some bread to go with it. You can use crusty bread, but I'm going for ciabatta bread. This needs to be cooked in the oven for about 12 minutes.
In a preheated oven, I must say.
You follow the instructions in your packet, yeah? This is the one I bought. Right, anyway, romaine lettuce, 1 head of romaine lettuce. What I'm going to do with it, I want to cut it into strips, like so. Into nice long strips that can go into the bowl. Now I've got here half a cucumber and 2 carrots. I'm going to grate them. I don't bother peeling the carrot, okay? I'm going to throw the carrot in the bowl as well, like so. Now, with the cucumber, I will grate it, but then I'm going to take it and I'm going to squeeze out all that water because I do not want that water in this. I'm going to squeeze it. Splashing all over me right now.
Well, you should be wearing a pinny then, shouldn't you, dirty boy?
Well, it's fine. It looks better without a penny.
Yeah,
it's all about the appearance.
Who does the washing?
The washing machine.
Oh.
Right, so that's the cucumber. Let's take this over to the sink and watch how much water comes out of this.
And it is a water-based veg.
Oh no.
Don't want a soggy salad.
No, that's it. That'll do. Yeah, so now we can put this in the bowl. That'll do. Right, I've got about a handful of tomatoes. Little baby tomatoes. I'm going to quarter them. Throw them in. You can see it's slowly building, can't you? 1 onion, 1 whole red onion. I'm going to cut this in half, and then I'm going to cut it in half moons. There we go. Throw the onion in as well. Did you just belch?
Yeah, sorry about that.
Pig. So there we go, that's your basics for your salad. Now, the fish. I'm going for 3 types of fish. Seafood sticks. I do like seafood sticks. I love them. I could just eat a pack of them. They're so good. Alright, I've got 2 packets here, and they're both 250 grams. So you're looking at roughly 500 grams of food sticks. It doesn't have to be exact. Just get 2 packets of whichever brand you like. Now, so what I'm going to do with the food sticks, I want them to be quite stringy. So the way I do that is, let's take one out of the wrapper and I'll show you. You don't have to watch me doing every single one, so I'll show you one.
Thank God for that.
Carry on. So what you do, you take it out of the wrapper. You literally can see how it's kind of, I don't know, what do you call that? It's, or whatever anyway. So just basically do it like this. Like that, okay? So I'm going to do that now for the rest. Take them out of the wrapping and do it for the rest. So I'll see you once I've done that. So, just doing the last one now. Take it out and just...
That's disgusting.
String it like this, like you can see, yeah, look. In the bowl it goes.
Everybody can see.
There we go. Now, gherkins. I've got 4 gherkins here which I've roughly chopped. That needs to go in as well. 2 tablespoons of capers. This is like a jar of capers.
No shit.
Yeah, 2 tablespoons of capers. There we go. Prawns. I have here 150 gram pack of king prawns, which are already cooked. Throw them in. And mackerel fillets. These are smoked mackerel fillets. This is a pack of 200 grams. Just get one pack. Anything between a 150 and 250 gram packet is absolutely fine. Get whichever mackerel fillets you like. These ones are smoked. So what I'm going to do with these is I'm going to basically just flake them in, just like this. There we go. What I'm going to do with this now is I'm just going to give it a quick toss.
See Michael tossing the salad.
Look at all those colours. Wow. Yeah.
And nothing artificial apart from you in there in the side.
Exactly. And fish sticks, obviously, you know, you can get fish sticks in the sea, can't you? Mm-hmm. That's how they float around. They look like this, don't they?
Yeah. They're living creatures.
They haven't been processed, have they?
No.
Right, okay, I just need to wash my hands. Now let's make the dressing. Okay, it's quite a lot here, so I'm going to need quite a lot of dressing. I'm thinking 4 tablespoons mayonnaise, 1, 4. 2 tablespoons ketchup, 1, 2, juice of half a lemon, throw that in. Smoked paprika, I'm going to go for half a teaspoon to begin with. Just give that a stir.
And by the way, the bread's done.
Need some salt and pepper in that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just gonna try it. Yeah, we'll start with that. Get in with your hands.
It's funny.
It just looks so appetizing, it really does. Right, I'm going to leave this for a minute because just when you thought that was the end, oh no, I'm going to make a little garnish for the top.
Ah.
When I say garnish, I don't just mean a sprinkling of something, I'm talking about a cheese garnish. I've got a block of French brie here, and this is a 200 gram block of French brie. Somerset brie is really nice as well. Actually, I think I prefer Somerset.
I prefer Somerset, it's a little more local.
It's good. Cut this up into small chunks like this. That was a bit big, so I thought better in the mouth. My chilli jam or sweet chilli sauce. Put 1 tablespoon in. Just stir it around. So this is my homemade sweet chilli jam, or like I say, you can use sweet chilli sauce, which you can buy in the shops, which is absolutely fine.
There was a block of cheese once.
Okay, I'm going to clear up, then we're going to get this thing served up.
Oh look, a clean kitchen.
Ta-da!
As if by magic.
Exactly. Okay, so the bread's all been cut up, the ciabatta bread's been all cut up nicely, so that's all done. Now, the pièce de résistance. The salad. Got a nice little leafy bowl here. Let's put this in the bowl. By the way, what must you remember to do? Like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification button. So that's the salad.
No, really?
Yes, it is. I'm going to use my hands, it's easier. I'm going to put some of the cheese on top. I'm not going to put it all on. I'm going to put about half of it on, like so. And I'm going to put the other half in this little bowl here. That way people can help themselves if they want a bit extra. And we've got a bit of the chilli jam in there. Put that on top. Bit of pepper on top. That just finishes it off. There we go. Ta-da! There you have it, my fellow composers. My seafood salad.
You almost forgot what it was called then, didn't you?
My seafood salad, my darling, amazing composers. Make this. It's very Moorish, and you should probably get a good 6 to 8 portions out of it. Yeah? I think you can get 6 portions out of it.
Easy.
Let's go between 4 and 8 portions. Keep it really open. People, make this. You'll absolutely love it. I guarantee it. Lots of love. Take care. And I'll see you soon. So we've just basically stuffed our face. This is what's left. And this is with both of us having seconds. So I can tell you, this will easily, back to me. This will easily serve 4 to 6 hungry people. And if there's any ingredients in here you don't like, take them out and replace them with things you do like.
Like chips.
Like chips. So make it, enjoy it, and I will see you very soon. Lots of love. Mwah!
You're going to stop talking now?
Yeah.
Right, bye.
Yeah.